How to reset your Hulu password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can reset your Hulu password, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to reset your Hulu account's password, all you have to do is just go to hulu.com and then you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is just click the login button that you can find from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you click the login button, if you had remembered your details, you would be able to log into your account by entering your email and password. But since we forgot our password, what we want to do is over here you'll find this option called forgot your email or password. Make sure to click on that option. As you click on the option on the next specific page, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the email address on which your Hulu account was associated with. So after you go ahead and then enter your email address, make sure that it is correct and make sure that you also have access to this email. Once you've done that, just tap the send me a reset link button here. Once you click on send me a reset link button, if there is a Hulu account for this email, they will send you a reset link to create a new password. So all you have to do now is just open up a new web page and then just go to your email. Check if you've received any sort of emails from Hulu. If you don't find it, you can just try to reload over and over again, and after a certain while you'll most likely receive the email from Hulu over here. And once you go ahead and then find the email from Hulu, you'll be able to click on the link and then you'll be able to reset a new password without having to remember your old password. That's all it takes to reset your Hulu account password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.